Welcome everybody, Pastor Dave here, and I want to thank The King is Coming. I want you to go to his channel, and I'm going to put the actual link to this video below in the description box above the comment section. This is regarding a true uprising in the Middle East and in Egypt, but the uprising for YAHSHUA, for Jesus. And is this the Arab Spring that they just don't want you to know about? I'm going to play, and I hope it's okay with The King is Coming, that I play a portion of this video for you. And I hope this gives you inspiration. And no, the bridegroom is coming. This took place, I believe, on 11/11/11 in Egypt. $70,000 plus, the true uprising for YAHSHUA, Jesus Christ, the earthquake in Egypt. I ask that you go to the link below, go to the channel, The King is Coming. I don't know how to mirror a video, or I would have mirrored this. Mirror this, like it, favorite the video, and no, there was an earthquake in Egypt. 70,000 plus. This is a true uprising before the bridegroom for YAHSHUA Jesus. Watchmen, keep watching. Is this the Arab Spring they don't want you to know about? Go to the video. God bless.